In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Proton VPN installation problems in 2026 and the 4 solutions you can try when an error stops the setup process. So if Proton VPN fails to install on your device, the first thing you should do is to restart your computer. So temporary systems issues, background processes, or pending updates can sometimes prevent applications from installing correctly. The first fix is check your system's compatibility. Make sure your operating systems is updated and meets the requirements for the latest Proton VPN versions. An outdated Windows or Mac OS version can cause installation failures or compatibility errors. The second fix is to run the installer with administrator permissions. So on the Windows, right-click this Proton VPN and click this Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the required permissions to add files and make system changes. The third fix is removing the previous Proton VPN files. Go to your settings, search for the uninstall, and select this Add or Remove Programs. Look for a Proton VPN app. Because if you had an older version installed, leftover files or corrupted settings may block the new installation. So uninstall the previous version completely and then restart your device and try installing the Proton VPN again. The fourth fix is checking your security software. Antivirus programs or firewalls can sometimes mistakenly block installers from making changes. Temporarily disable them during installation, complete the setup, and then remember to enable your security protection again afterward. So if the problem continues, download the Proton VPN installer again from the official Proton website. A corrupted or incomplete installer file can also prevent the setup from finishing. After installation, you can open your Proton VPN and then sign in with your account and test the connection to make sure everything is working properly. And that's how you fix Proton VPN installation problem in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.